Here is the continued voiceover script. The Tapo 2K outdoor wired has finally arrived at my doorstep, and let me tell you, it's not just another smart outdoor light. This game-changing floodlight brings unparalleled peace of mind to homeowners like me who want to keep their property safe without sacrificing style. Imagine being able to see every inch of your yard with crystal clear video quality. 2K QHD Live View delivers an expansive field of view that covers a massive 150 degrees, so you can monitor your outdoor space in stunning detail. Whether it's a suspicious movement or an unexpected guest, this floodlight gives you the sharp vision you need to stay one step ahead. But what truly sets the Tapo C720 apart is its motion-activated floodlight feature. Like having a hawk watching over your property at night, this intelligent system identifies fleeting movements and triggers the light across a vast 270 degrees zone. No more worrying about dark alleys or hidden corners. And with adjustable floodlight control, you can customize the lighting to fit your needs. Whether it's setting schedules for automated on-off times or fine-tuning the brightness and activation triggers, the Tapo app gives you complete control over your outdoor light. Plus, with smart AI detection, moving people, pets, and cars are distinguished from one another, silencing false alarms and keeping your inbox clear of irrelevant activity notifications. But what really gets me excited about this product is its ability to turn my entire yard into a safety haven. With 2,800 lumens of ultra-bright floodlighting that can reach up to 30 feet, I no longer have to worry about dark areas or potential security threats after sundown. And the fact that it's fully adjustable means I can fine-tune the light to suit my specific needs, whether it's a cozy evening gathering or a harsh winter storm. Another highlight of this product is its weather-resistant design, with IP65 rating making it perfect for outdoor use in rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. This means you don't have to worry about your floodlight malfunctioning due to harsh conditions, ensuring it stays on the job no matter what Mother Nature throws at it. What's also impressive about this product is its power efficiency, using a reliable 24V AC/DC adapter that can be plugged into any standard outlet. No need for complex wiring or specialized electrical knowledge, just plug and play, with a sleek and compact design that won't clutter your outdoor space. And let's not forget about the energy savings benefits. With this smart floodlight, you can enjoy cost-effective lighting without sacrificing performance. By automatically turning off when it's not in use or adjusting its brightness to suit the time of day, you'll be reducing your electricity bill while still keeping your property safe and secure. Another feature that really stood out to me is the built-in microphone, which allows for clear two-way communication with anyone nearby. This means I can safely call out to neighbors or family members without having to physically go outside, perfect for late-night interactions or when you're feeling unwell. But what truly sets this product apart from others on the market is its seamless integration with popular smart home systems like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. With voice commands, you can control your outdoor light with ease, adjusting brightness and scheduling from anywhere in your home, a total game changer for homeowners looking to simplify their lives. So what does owning this change about your day? For me, it's knowing that my home and yard are always safe and secure, no matter what time of night it is. And now you can have that same peace of mind with the Tapo 2K outdoor wired. Click the link below to get yours today. With its impressive features, energy-efficient design, and seamless smart home integration, this product truly delivers on promises of enhanced security and convenience. Whether you're a homeowner looking to upgrade your outdoor lighting or just want to ensure your property is always secure, the Tapo 2K outdoor wired is an absolute must-have.